Kind of seems to have worked a little bit. Are you fucking... You're waving at... Why are you waving at me? What the fuck, dude? I got a green light, you fucking moron! What the fuck is wrong with people? Oh, look, someone's giving away a freaking hoverboard. One of those... Yeah, it's my turn to go. Sit there. Really? Again? I didn't even have a stop sign. I didn't even have a stop sign. I think that was that same fucking guy. I'm gonna have to look at the camera. I mean, the footage, obviously, when I get home. What the hell, man? Don't honk at me because somebody cut me off, dude. What the hell? Actually, he may have been letting me know that he was going that way. He probably realized I was going straight. Sorry, dude. Didn't mean to chew you out without you actually knowing I chewed you out, but I feel bad about it now. I think he was just letting me know that he was going straight because he probably assumed I was turning, so my bad. And that guy just ran a stop sign right there. There's a fucking stop sign. Jesus Christ, man. Are you gonna run it too? There's a stop sign. There's a white line right there. There's a fucking white line right there for a reason. Fuck, man. She stopped so hard her damn SUV stalled. Oh, homie's actually waiting for me. Thank you. I gave him a little finger wave. I don't know if the camera picked that up. Oh, I don't want to be in here. Oh, fuck. That is really rough. Holy shit. That sucked. Yeah, they need to fix that shit. That was definitely an off-road pavement situation right there. Jesus. I wanted to be quiet and enjoy the curves, so I did. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm a hypocrite. I totally ran a stop sign. But I own that shit. That was on me. I knew it was there. I started talking to the camera at an intersection and got distracted. That's my fault. Totally my fault. I'll include that in my edited down short to show that, no, I don't think I'm infallible.